Why is this thing not working? There we go. It's a click. Oh, waiting. That's better. Where's my clipper? I'm going to work.
I just wanna cut again, spray some cool care on my stuff again, yeah, yeah, yeah. Shut down by the government, tell them that we wanna cut again, yeah, yeah, yeah. Other things that I miss.
So, I can't expect you to sit through this whole video again without me explaining why. Firstly, the police wasn't really at my house. That was just a video. And then, number two, be honest. Some of you thought I was singing, and when the door closed, you thought, oh my word, Warren is singing in the video. If that was one of you, just drop a comment down below. And then three, I got a lot more pictures of people that missed their barbers and barbers that missed their shops. So I got to add that into the video. I have to. Whew.
Yeah, other things that I miss, yeah. Working that flicker, that wrist, yeah. Yeah, yeah, wrist itching. Been thinking I just wanna make some hair fall down. Brushing off my clippers, waiting for that chance to cut again. Waiting for the government to let us cut again. Open up the shop, get in and see my brothers win. Brushing off my clippers, waiting for that chance to cut again, yeah. Get back to the fading blade. It was 2011, I couldn't get nothing to work. Looking bummy as ever, 2 jeans and a couple of shirts. You could call me a failure, couldn't get my kids what they deserve. Landlord calling me, yeah, yeah, I'ma have it by the 23rd. He know I'm lying, he know I ain't got it, so he tripping. The truth is that I had it, but I spent it on some clippers. I told my baby with this barber license I'ma get us. She struggling to keep the faith, but hoping I deliver. So I got straight to business and learn how to fake. And I look at what it is from all the dirt I done made. When you turning on some clippers, everything will turn out okay. But it's more than the clippers, gotta have that hustle in your veins. Then 2020 rolled up on us, and everything we work hard for seems like it was stolen from us. And everything on TV is about the coronavirus. To the things that we took for granted, we began to open our eyelids. Now these barbers say they wanna get back to cutting, but when the shop was open and it was packed, they wasn't. And if they tell you that's not a fact, they frontin'. They lost some clients, they said they wouldn't go back for nothing, cause you wasn't reliable enough. Made an appointment but still wait for an hour, that was tough. For all the times the shop was crowded, going nuts, and you would decide to slide and go to lunch. Now you know what's up, you're like, I just wanna cut again. Spray some cool care on my stuff again, yeah, yeah, yeah. Shut down by the government, tell them that we wanna cut again, yeah, yeah, yeah. Other things that I miss, yeah. Working that flicker, that wrist, yeah. Yeah, yeah, wrist itching. Been thinking I just wanna make some hair fall down. Brushing off my clippers, waiting for that chance to cut again. Waiting for the government to let us cut again. Open up the shop, get in and see my brothers win. Brushing off my clippers.
I'm looking for a cool ending to this video. I don't have anything.
Yeah. Get back to the fading blade. I know Chris Bosh, you don't wanna get in the shop again. Hawk Vision wanna get in the shop again.